Okay, not seeing any questions rolling in, so let's keep going. If you guys can still ask questions, even if I keep going, just let me know. All right, so let's go here. Let's see, an extra large pizza box. So let's see what I want to do here to finish up. I will do, and if you guys want me to do it, just let me know. So I will do, I'll do 9, 10, and 12 here to finish up. Okay, and then I'll let you guys kind of finish up with the rest of them on your own. Actually, 10 seems repetitive. I'll do 9 and 12 here to finish up with you guys. And then you guys can ask me questions and we can be on, and you guys can do the rest on your own. All right, number 9, it says an extra large pizza with a diameter of 22 is divided into 12 equal slices. What is the area of the pizza? Okay, so this is kind of a tough one. I'm going to draw just kind of a circle over here. I'm going to go over here on kind of the side. So here's my pizza, right? And it said it's divided into 12 equal slices, and it says, the diameter is 12. Okay, so the diameter is 12. So I'm going to draw a diameter. That's 12. Okay, great. And then I have like 12 equal slices. So that's like 4. And now I have like 8. You can imagine like 12 equal slices, right? So I know that's not exactly 12 equal slices, but just imagine it. So a full circle is 360 degrees. I did not want to do that. A full circle is 360 degrees. Imagine if all of those central angles were divided into 12 equal slices. What would each of those central angles be? Let's see if you guys can figure that out. Let me repeat that question. If you have 12 equal slices, a full circle is 360 degrees. So what would every single central angle be in the middle for all of those 12 slices? Answer that for me. Yep. Good job, good job, good job. You got it. That's right. They're all 30 degrees. That's right. I'll thank you, all of you, for answering that. They're all 30 degrees. That's right. Okay, so we know the central angle. They didn't tell us that explicitly, but they know, they're telling us what that central angle is. They're all 30 degrees, right? So it says, what's the area of the whole pizza? So we're going to need that information when we do the one slice. So the area of the whole pizza is pretty basic, because the area of the whole pizza is just going to be pi times radius squared. So all I need is the radius for that one. So if the diameter is 22, then the radius is 11, okay? So that's going to give me pi times 11 squared, which is 121. 11 times 11 is 121. So then we just punch in 11 times pi, or I'm sorry, 121 times pi. And that gives me 380.1. So approximately 380.1 square inches is the area of the pizza. Now the one slice is where that 30 degrees comes in, because now imagine one of those slices of the pizza, that angle in the center is going to be 30 degrees for the reason that we talked about, because you got 12 equal slices. 360 divided by 12 is 30. So I'm going to do the same exact thing, which is pi r squared, but I'm going to multiply it by theta over 360. So the radius is 11, so pi times 11 squared times 30 over 360. And we already know 11 squared is 121. So I'm going to say 121 pi over 1 times 30 over 360. Now you just let the calculator do the rest of the work. 121 times pi times 30 divided by 360. And then estimate it to the nearest decimal spot. All right, hopefully you had a chance. Let me do it now. 121 times pi times 30 divided by 360. Okay, I got 31.7. So it looks like hopefully you're getting the same thing. Let me know if you did not. So 31.7 square inches is the area of just one slice, right? I guess we could have just taken the original area and just divided it by 12, right? If they're 12 equal slices, you could have done that too. That's essentially what we just did right here as well. All right. Okay, let's move on to number 12 over here on the right. And then if you guys have any questions about anything, this worksheet or anything else, you guys can chat it at me or whatnot. All right, you need to paint the shape to the right. How many square feet of paint will you need? Well, that's area, and this is sector area. So you can see it kind of looks like a triangle, but it's not. It's curved right here. They're meaning it to be a portion of the circle. So they're asking for the sector area, right? So we know that sector area, and that's what we've been doing all today, is pi times radius squared. That's a full circle, but then we want to multiply it by theta over 360. Okay, so we just need the radius and the angle measure. So you can see they're giving us the radius right here. That's not the diameter, because remember this point right here down here at the bottom, that's, you have to imagine that as being the center of the circle. Let me like kind of draw it for you. Can you imagine if the circle looked like that? Hopefully you can see what I mean, right? So that 9 is not the diameter, it's the radius. Let me get rid of that. So we're going to take that, plug it in for the radius, and they were so kind to give us the central angle. That's 24 degrees, and we're just going to plug it in. So we have 9 squared, which is 81. So 81 pi times 24 over 360. Grab your calculator and you can multiply that. 81 times pi times 24, and then divide it by 360, and then go ahead and round it to the 10th place. When you guys are done, once you, just for the heck of it, once you throw your answer in the chat and just see if we all come up with the same thing. Ooh, you guys are faster than I am. So divided by 360. Yep. Good job. Make sure you round it to the 10th place. We usually just round it to 1 decimal place. Good job. Good job. See those answers coming in. Very nice. Good job. Very nice. Nice. Good job. There's a couple more. Looking good. Yep. Nice job. Great job. Nice job. All correct answers. Haven't seen a wrong one yet. Yep. So I got 16.96, but that's just going to round up to flat 17, right? So we're going to say about 17 feet squared. Always square units with area. Okay. All right, let's finish up this last question at the bottom. It says, if your painting cost was $1.29 per square foot, what will it cost to paint the shape? Well, we know that this area we just calculated right here is 17 square feet. And now they're telling us that it costs $1.29 per square foot to paint it. So I think we're just going to do a simple calculation of 17 square feet times $1.29, because that's per 1 square foot, and that's going to tell us the cost to paint that portion. That seems like a pretty easy one. You guys can just punch that in. 17 times $1.29. Let's see. Yep, good job. You're right. Nice job. $21.93 is what I got. That's exactly how you do that. Nice job. I see the rest of you answering as well. Great job. Thank you for the answers. You're right. You guys are doing great. Nice job. Okay, perfect, you guys. This lasted like exactly how long. I didn't want it to really go over a half an hour because then it just kind of seems too long. I did a lot of problems with you, and I also left a couple for you guys to do as well. I hope this is like really helpful for you guys. Did you guys like it? I mean, is this good? Do you want me to do this again in the future? Good, good. Lots of yeses. All right, very good. Lil Ray says yes. So if Lil Ray says yes, then we're doing it. All right. All right, good. I'm glad this helped you guys. I'm just finding any ways to help you guys. I'm going to do another one then, maybe, probably not tomorrow, because tomorrow you're just going to have a review with Delta Math. So tomorrow's assignment will just be a simple 5-question Delta Math assignment on this same exact stuff on sector area. Okay, so you'll do your work on separate paper, submit it to Google Classroom, and then also complete it on Delta Math as well. Okay. And if you guys want to start that early, go ahead and go to Delta Math and do it right now. And then your Tuesday assignment will be already done. That's the only thing you're doing for Tuesday. Wednesday will be more like today. Wednesday will be new notes with an assignment. And then I'll get back here on Zoom on Wednesday to help you guys out with that assignment as well. Does that sound good? If you guys have any questions, put it in the chat or send me a remind, whatever. I'm glad it definitely helped you guys, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. I hope you guys and your family and everybody's good, and stay healthy, stay safe, and if you guys need anything, send me messages, and I'm glad to help you guys out, all right? Okay, hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys pretty soon, all right?